Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International and English language exercise practical number 4 presenting today. Practical number 4 is about phonics and jolly phonics. Keep one thing in mind, what are phonics? The phonics are basic sound of Urdu or English letters. We should say one tick sound. The phonics are single tick sound. Like what? A, E, I, O, U. And in our phonic system, we sound them A, E, O, O. Again, A, E, O, O. Whenever you have to call it's a little bit hard to understand sound. You have this U is having sound. You need to touch your lips toward to your nose. Sound is there. Yes, correct you are. These are the vowels. In English grammar, we come to know about vowels. So these are the vowels. These particular vowels make a larger part in creating word and construction this language system. After creating few single tick sound words like in a pink series, then towards blue series and then green series, you must know the formation and the sound making with blending. Let's do it. How we gonna do it? We are having a sound here. A as initials A, 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 N. Now, if you add with same A, what you gonna see? How you gonna read? Actually, you by yourself understand how to read it, but to guide the student, the directors has to tell child how to blend the sound. Now combining it is man. The blending needs breakage. The blending needs breaking of sounds and then the gathering of sounds. This is how we say blend. The blending. We are having the sound E here. Let's take A. Okay, your choice A. A as initial. A as middle. We have A, 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 G, A, G, A, G, A, G, egg, egg, A in middle. A, hand. A little hard target for the pink series 1. A little hard target for the pink series 1, but you need to tell them first time and the child geniosity will keep you or make you more than one. E is there. E, use 3 or 4 different type of markers or the chalks to show the sounds in a proper manner that will attractive for the child. The directors has to use mostly commonly if in a mobile letters you have blue color, you can use blue color for this purpose. With the blue you are having your phonic, the vowel, and with the help of other color you are going to make this word. P. P with E, and then the same I, in, P, I, P, in, pin. As in your further practical, you will see how you're gonna read this again and again. I with T, it. If you can add H before it, H, hit. And O, the sound, again here, and sound, initial. R, R, mop. Rod. The blending. P, up. Bun. This is how the phonics are developing in a language formation and for a spoken one. But nowadays, this is little bit easy to understand and read the sounds and making of words. How? This new technology or methodology is Jolly Phonic. From last few years, we have introducing the Jolly Phonics that is actually double sound. The phonics were one tick sound and the Jolly Phonics are having double sound. The double. And then definitely when we talk about double means two. Two sounds together, like you can say at, that is an at family. Or, that is an or family. R, qua, s, t. They are having a long pitch of sound, and that's why the Jolly makes them easy to make or create words. Good. Either og has no such value or might be importance, or you can say the meaning, but it is a sound. And to create more words from this og sound of Jolly Phonics, we have d, og, duck, m, og, mog, r, og, rug, f, og, flog, or f, r, og, frog. The more you understand, the more you will be in practice. Thank you so much. See you in the next practical.